Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can finish due date in money.com. So here in this board in my money.com, as you can see, I have this due date column here in which I have like due dates for my tasks, like I have to get this task done on June 4 and then this task on June 21. And let's say I want to remove this due date. So what I have to do is I just have to scroll my mouse to the task, the date that I want to remove, and then I have to press this uh, cross button and it is going to remove the date. I can do the same for the other dates. I press this cross button and it removes the date. Now as you can see, both of the dates are removed. But if you like to remove the entire column, like if you like to delete the entire column, you can do that by hovering your mouse cursor over the column name, pressing these three dots, and then pressing delete, and press delete once again, and as you can see, the column has been removed. So this is how you finish or remove due date column in money.com. I hope this tutorial was helpful. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.